In today's video, I will teach you how to create a chrome beveled text effect in GIMP. Let's get started. First, open GIMP and create a new image. Set the dimensions to 800 to 200 pixels. Then select the bucket fill tool from the toolbox, then fill the background layer with black. Now, select the text tool from the toolbox, and then click on the canvas and type your desired text, and set the text color to white. Then right-click the text layer, and select Merge Down to combine it with the background layer. Now go to Filters, Blur, then Gaussian Blur. Then set the blur radius to 5 and click OK. Now go to the menu bar, go to Select, then by color, and click anywhere on the black background. Then go to Select, then Invert to select only the text. Now add a new layer by clicking on the New Layer button at the bottom of the Layers panel. Then name this layer Chrome. Then hide the background layer by clicking the eye icon next to the layer thumbnail. Now select the Gradient tool from the toolbox, then choose a custom Chrome gradient. If you don't have one, you can create a gradient that smoothly transitions from dark gray to light gray and back to dark. In the gradient options, choose the linear shape, then drag the gradient from the bottom to the top of the text selection, starting just below the selection. Now go to Select, then None to deselect the text. Then go to Filters, Map, then Bump Map, then set the bump map to the background layer, and adjust the depth as needed. Then click OK. Then go to Colors, then Curves, then drag the curve to create an S shape to increase contrast, enhancing the chrome effect. Then click OK when satisfied. Now go to Colors, Map, then Alien Map. Then use the default settings and click OK. This will enhance the chrome shine. Next, right-click on the chrome layer and select Duplicate Layer. Then select the Gradient tool. Then choose the Sunrise Gradient or a gradient with bright colors transitioning to darker shades. Now go to Colors, Map, then Gradient Map, and apply it to the duplicated layer. In the Layers dialog, set the Duplicated Layers mode to Burn. Then right-click the Merge Chrome layer, then choose Alpha to Selection. And now you've successfully created a stunning chrome beveled text effect in GIMP. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.